In this video, I'm going to show you how do you record yourself on Loom. So first thing is we're going to get Loom up and running. So to do that, go to your browser, click on your browser extensions, and then go to your web store, your Chrome web store, because we're going to install the Loom extension. So once you get here, search for Loom, and you'll see there's the Loom extension. Click on it. All you have to do to install it is click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and this will now be added to your Google Chrome extension, as you can see here. And there you go, Loom has now been added. So just click on it and you will see that you'll be able to launch Zoom here. We'll click on it and this will open up Loom, and then go and sign in your account if you have an account, or you can simply sign in with your Google credential. That's fine. Alright, so once you have signed in, you'll get to your Loom dashboard here. So now to record a Loom, all you have to do is click on this record a Loom. Just click on it. You'll get to this screen here. So from this screen here, what you're going to do is you're going to select this record, go to the record section here, and then click on these screen options. And from here, what we're going to do is choose only camera only. So click on camera only. So this will only capture your camera, which is your webcam. So just make sure that is selected. Okay, and then here the microphone, you can select the right microphone that you want to use for the recording. And then once that's set, so make sure this is only camera only. Once you've set that, all you have to do is click on start recording. Once you start recording, you will be start recording yourself. Once that's done, so as you can see now, it's starting to record, and now it's being recorded. So once you have recorded it, so if you want to stop it, you can simply click on this stop button here. So this will now upload your video to your Loom account here, and from there you can share it and use it. And basically that's how you record yourself.